One of our patrons was asking for a breakdown of this sound. So in this video, we're going to do it with a free synth so you can all follow along. The best way to think about the chord sound is to split it into 2 layers. Let's start with the dreamy layer. Add some higher frequencies. That's a bit too much, so we're going to add a filter. Next, we're going to add some movement to the sound. First, we're going to add a vibrato. So go to the advanced page and drag LFO1 to the tuning. Then we're going to make it pan left to right. And to make it even wider, add chorus and reverb. Now, let's work on the second layer, which is going to add texture to our sound. We can either use a saw, or we can use a pulse. Just depends on what character you're going for. And then we're going to isolate the part of the sound that we want. And I've mapped this to macro 1, and I'll show you why later on in this video. For some movement, we're going to add some vibrato again, effects, chorus, and reverb. Next, we need to blend these 2 layers together, and the easiest way to blend 2 instruments together is to process them together. So we're going to add some saturation, RC20, mainly for the noise, and reverb. Now, we're going to cover the most important part of the video, because this is going to be the thing that makes the sound work and not get boring. First, we're going to go back to the texture layer, and to add more excitement and energy to our track, we can automate macro 1. Next, we can use the EQ, and we can either use this to make our synth be pushed back in the mix and sound a bit duller. It's going to bring more focus to the vocals, or you can boost it to bring a bit more presence to the synth sound. And the third thing you can do is to automate the level of the texture layer. If you want to download the presets from this video, they are available in my Patreon, and subscribe to learn more about sound design.